Self-awareness is the ability to understand one's own thoughts, emotions, and behaviors and how they affect one's interactions with others. It is a key component of personal development because it allows individuals to identify their strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement. When individuals are self-aware, they are better able to understand how they react to different situations and how their actions affect others. This can lead to better communication and more effective problem solving. Additionally, self-awareness can help individuals to identify and challenge limiting beliefs, which can hinder personal growth. Self-awareness also allows individuals to set realistic goals for themselves, based on their strengths and weaknesses. For example, if an individual is aware that they struggle with time management, they can set a goal to improve their time management skills. Moreover, it helps individuals to identify their values, beliefs, and personal missions, which are the foundations for personal development. Therefore, self-awareness is crucial for personal development because it allows individuals to understand themselves better, make more informed decisions, and take control of their lives. It helps to understand the self, the world, and the relationships which are vital for personal development. Self-motivation is the driving force that helps individuals to take action towards achieving their goals. It is a critical component of personal development because it helps individuals to overcome obstacles and persist in the face of challenges. Self-motivation comes from within and is driven by an individual's personal values, beliefs, and goals. When individuals are self-motivated, they are more likely to set and achieve their goals, as well as take action to overcome any obstacles that may arise. Self-motivation can be enhanced through a variety of techniques such as setting clear and specific goals, creating a plan of action, and rewarding oneself for progress made. Additionally, self-motivation can be increased by focusing on personal values, beliefs, and interests. When individuals feel connected to their goals and values, they are more likely to be motivated to take action. Moreover, self-motivation can be strengthened by developing a growth mindset, which is the belief that one's abilities can be developed through effort and learning. With a growth mindset, individuals are more likely to embrace challenges, learn from failures, and persevere in the face of adversity. Furthermore, self-motivation helps individuals to overcome procrastination and to take ownership of their lives and personal development. In conclusion, self-motivation is essential for personal development because it enables individuals to take action towards achieving their goals, overcome obstacles, and persist in the face of challenges. It empowers individuals to take charge of their personal development and to make progress towards their desired outcome. By understanding these key concepts and principles of personal development, we can apply them in our daily lives to achieve success and happiness. It is important to have self-awareness to understand ourselves and set realistic goals, to have self-motivation to push ourselves and to take action towards achieving them, and to have a personal growth mindset to constantly improve ourselves.